because I do deliver a lot of sessions to faculties out there in different universities and colleges. But what I feel is here the faculty was more receptive, more interactive, and it was not a monologue that I was delivering. They had their questions, they practiced what I delivered to them, and I could get a lot of insights about how they put these softwares to use. So all in all, a very receptive, a very open mindset that I experienced, which I generally don't see out there in the world today. So yeah, kudos to everybody who's put in that effort to organize this. See, a lot of times I've been to engineering colleges, I've been to design colleges, and of course business administration. But the most important part that I feel is imparting practical knowledge. And every floor, every division of your college that I went to, I could really see practical implication of the knowledge that is getting delivered. That's the most important part of education. Rather than learning on the job, your students go prepared, and there was so much good work that your students have already done outside, right? Your jewelry being presented at Oscars or being worn at Oscars, that's a big, big achievement, right? There's a strong foundation for imparting the right knowledge in the right way. That's what I say. And it was a great experience to, go through all the work that your students have created. The Adobe is there to support you in every way possible.